If you're looking for a super nice fly that catches a lot of trout and grayling, you have come to the right place. This little fella here is such an amazing and simple fly to tie. So just follow along and look at the description below and you can see all the materials listed there. All right, let's tie this tiny waltz worm up. So the dubbing and the material used in this fly, you can find that at Troutline as well. I'm going to put that in the description so you can find it. And if you're new here, you are more than welcome to subscribe, because here on this channel we are exploring things together. Patterns, materials, a lot of cool stuff. And the next coming season, it will be a lot of fishing as well. All right, so we are going to take a little bit of ribbing material, which is Glo-Brite. It's a fantastic material to make hotspots on your flies. So we do one lap like that, close to the bead, pull until you can see it disappears. Then you just tie it in. I like to have my ribbing material on the side of the fly. Go to the front. We secure the bead with a few wraps. And now it's time for the dubbing that I'm gonna show you. So this dubbing is called Thorax Nymph dubbing. And it has a little bit of flash to it and also some natural material. It's a perfect material to use for these kind of flies that you want to have be a little bit more flashy or have some kind of attractor spot to it. We make a very thin dubbing noodle. We don't need a lot of dubbing at all because this fly is super duper small. And I can tell you that big fish sometimes really are picky, and something small will probably always work. Like that. Then we start to tie it in. I like to tilt the thread a little bit to get a better segmentation. I think, in my opinion, you do get a better segmentation. So that's why I always do it, or most of the times, so to say. We take the ribbing material and we just go the opposite side or away of the thread. Do some tight wraps. So this ribbing material is basically working as a attractor point to the fly, which makes the fish see it more clearly in rapid streams, because the fish doesn't have much time to think when they see stuff coming through. And when they see something that catches their eye, they will say, oh, what's this? And since the fish don't have any hands, the only thing to check what it is with their mouth. Now we take just a tiny bit more dubbing, because we can see that there's a little bit of ribbing material left at the bead. We don't want that. We want it to go. Don't have to, but that's how I like it. So we just make a few more wraps close to the bead. Put your finger on the hook, pull a little bit. And then we whip finish. And we have this amazing little waltz worm. And if you have some fibers that are sticking up, you can either keep them or you can cut them off. There you have it.